It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 XLT in iconic silver with the black sport cloth interior. Seating for 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and you have box link, as well as a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle and take it out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And you've also got a map of downtown Detroit. Driver and passenger seat are powered with lumbar, carpeted mats on the floor, electronic parking brake, power pedals, high mount light, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and the tailgate release. And there's a grab handle as well as a running board, and that just makes it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have lane keeping and cruise control. You also have volume, your menus there, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start-stop button. On the dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up. So it's just letting me know that my door is open. Let's close that properly. And there we go. And we're going to go into the menu here. I'm going to go to the top for you. My view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, there's a little cubby up top, and you have your camera view, so you can have a look behind you without putting the vehicle in reverse. So the green, yellow, red is just telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse or just having a look. And there's your center line, and that's the bumper that you're looking at. So let's get out of there. Hazard lights, traction control, hill descent, traction control. And we can go into our sources on our screen, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. This is just a protective cover that's on there. Go into navigation and we can have a look at the map. You can go in, set your destination. You have your settings as well. So there's different options in here. You can slide through, change the look of your screen. You've got valet mode, software updates, connectivity, so forth. And then on the right hand side here, you've got pages. So you can go up and down in here for different options that you may want to look at. And then in your features, you've got your owner's manual. I'm going to turn down the volume here. That's a little bit annoying. And you have towing, zone lighting, and driver assist. Now, when I put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to get that same view. So right off the bumper with the lines, and you're all set. You can see what's going on behind you. Let's go into park for safety's sake, volume and tuner, dual climate control, as well as dual heated seats up front, AC and max AC, and your front and rear defrost, your fans right there. Little cubby down below, you've got USB-C and USB. You've got your Pro Trailer backup assist, integrated trailer brake controller, and you've got your 4x4 locking differential. When we press it, it'll appear to the right of the menu, and then press again, it'll go out. You've got your drive mode, so you can go in there, just dial through. So we'll start off with normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and you notice the icons change as we go through. Let's go the other way, slippery, deep snow sand, and we're gonna go into 4x4, mud ruts, and rock crawl. So as your road conditions change, as the temperature changes, you can get more or less traction, whatever it is that you need to drive more safely, more confidently. And you have an automatic select shifter, a couple of cup holders, your armrest opens up, and inside you've got a little bin, you can take that out. You've got USB down there and lots of room to put things. And then off to the side, 2 glove compartments. The lower one's locking, the other one releases from here. Grab handle in the body, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, power sliding window, sunglass holder, and you're all set to go. 20-inch wheels, black running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad, driver side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. You're seeing the FX4 off-road badging, and the FX4 package includes skid plates. In the rear, body colored handle for the tailgate. The backup camera's just above that. LED light is to the right. Backup sensors on the bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, as well as a trailer hitch and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can double click your fob and it'll power it down for you. It's got tailgate assist, so you notice it doesn't slam. The box is a 5.5-foot box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And then you've got this nice tailgate step. And it also has that handle. You're seeing the little yellow button that just pulls up to create a handle for stability. As well, you've got clamps, so it's a little bit of a workspace here on the left and on the right. And you have two measuring sticks, one's imperial and one's metric. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. You also have an electrical outlet on the left-hand side in the rear of the box, so you can power up tools. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and you also have a grab handle in the body. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split, so just lift the seat with one hand, gives you more room on the floor, and then to bring the seat down, pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you've got this nice sport cloth on the seats, carpeted mats on the floor, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. A couple of cup holders. You've got a 12-volt USB, USB-C, and a 120-volt. Your vents are on each side of that 12-volt. Grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up top, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.